Trump is coming, Trump is coming. Everybody is talking. Ala dọrọ mma bụ ụlọ ndị nze. Ọnọdụ ndị Igbo nọ na Naịjirịa ọ nata ụtọ. Nke ndị Yoruba nwere ike ịtọ. Nke ndị Fulani Hausa nwere ike ịtọ. Mana nke ndị Igbo atọrọ. What I'm saying is this. Those people that are crying, clamoring that Trump should stop, leave us alone, leave us alone. I don't understand what you mean. Do you think you are talking about that they will come and destroy the whole place? Who told you? If you don't know how these things work, you shut up. Ask people that know to tell you. They are targeted areas. With their satellite, they will monitor everything. Where those people are staying, they have seen. You think they have not seen them? You think they don't know where they operate? Those are the targeted areas. Those are the places they are going to go direct. Their attacks are going to go. So it's not like they will begin to destroy an ally. It's not war. Do you understand? So, if I get destroyed, it's good that it will be destroyed so that we know that there is nothing like anybody. Those people trying to kill people on daily basis, because you do not know that on daily basis that those people are alive in people. The ones that is being reported are the ones you know. A lot is happening that nobody is reporting. A lot is happening. So it is good. We need to sanitize this country. And the government, they know what we are talking about. They know that we, the masses, know that they have a hand in all this. If they don't, they should have put a stop to it. When people come out now to protest that they want good governance, you will threaten them, push them back, lock them up, try to buy them. But the real enemy, they are there. You are protecting them. So what is there to protect for? What are we protecting? Even if we have to rebuild this country from scratch, it's even better. So we know that everybody is on a zero level. As na me ekwu eketa as na ya sin na ekwu na no aka ndị Igbo mma ka eme. O ya aka ndị Igbo mma because gịnị na akpagbu anyị. Kedu ife anyị nwetara na ọ ka mma ka akwasasị everything. Ka ebido n'isi so that anyị ncha mara na ijide ofu anyị ma na anyị ncha ha. Ịchọ bụ ka anyị dị anyị dị ịchọkwa ka anyị dị onye ọbụla agbasasị ya. Every day, this will be reported. Are those people dying not human beings? Not be somebody born those people. They say no Christian is being killed. For what? Every day Christians are dying. But then they kill. If they are Muslims that yes, fine. The number cannot equate them with that of the Christians that are dying. What did they do you? If you have problem with your people, go and be dealing with them. Don't generalize it. So please, Trump, we are begging you to come. Sanitize this country. We need it. The leaders not go agree. They no go agree. You see that thing? They know about it. So come. Help this country, Trump. Help this country. Fix it. Christians are dying on daily basis. We need you to come, sanitize it, because you have seen, and I know you must have done your research. You must have, as in, viewed everywhere, and you know where they are. Finish them. That's what we want. That's my own message. Thank you so much.